Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic critical thinking. Friend, today's topic is very interesting with respect to project management and handling management multiple projects. So let's start friend. First of all, I request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. First of all, we have to understand it what is critical thinking friend. Friend, critical thinking is the act of analyzing facts to understand a problem or topic thoroughly. The critical thinking process typically includes steps like collecting the information and data, asking thoughtful questions, and analyzing problem possible solutions. Basically, friend, when we talk about critical thinking, we are referring to the act in which we analyze the issue properly, thoroughly. We collect the information, data, and based on the data and the information, we take the appropriate action and resolution. So that is called the steps, or that is called the approach of critical thinking. For example, if you are working in human resource and must resolve a conflict between two employees, so you have to understand, you will use critical thinking to understand the nature of the conflict and what action should be taken to resolve it. So that is called as the example of critical thinking. Critical thinking has following steps. First of all, you have to identify the problem or issue, create inferences or why the problem exists and how it can be solved, collect information or data on the issue through research, organize, sort data and findings, develop and execute the solutions, analyze what solution worked or didn't work, identify ways to improve the solution. So these are the steps of critical thinking. Friend, the skills required for critical thinking, first of all, you must have to be a very good observer. You must have the observational skills are the starting point for critical thinking. People who are observant can quickly sense and identify a new problem. Then analysis means that you have to collect the data or information related to the issue. Then you must have to able to analyze that data. This is a very important skills of analytical. Then inference is a skill that involves drawing conclusion about the information you collect and may require you to possess technical or industry specific knowledge or experience. Then the communication skills are very important when it comes time to explain and discuss issues and their possible solution with colleague and other stakeholders. So this is also a very important skill required for critical thinking. Then the problem solving means that after you have identified a problem, analyze it and explore possible remedies. The final step is to execute the solution. Like, you have identified the issue, okay, then you analyze the data, then you take the appropriate action, that you came to some appropriate conclusion, then you communicate the relevant decisions information to the relevant stakeholder like CEO, CTO, the functional management, etc., the whatever the communication is required, and then you whatever the solution you have analyzed, you have decided, you execute the solution, and then you also monitor that whatever the solution you have taken, whether it is working or not. So these are the skills, these are the methods which we used in critical thinking. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you friends.